Right then, lads and ladies, you know the score. You've had your steak, you've had your pour. But when the bill comes, what do? This one's for all you cheeky few. They walked into the curry house, starving as can be. Ordered poppadoms and pints, an extra naan for free. The waiter smiled so lovely, brought the tikka masala hot. We scoffed the lot in 20 minutes, then legged it to the car park spot. Hey! Dine and dash, dash, dash. Leave the waiter in a flash. 1 in 12 have done it once, according to the stats. Men are worse than ladies, and the 35s are twats. Dine and dash, what a laugh. But the restaurants go and bust you down. Pay the bloody bill, you mug, before you do a run-up, or CCTV will catch your mug and make you look a proper stunner. Hey! The steak and chips at the steakhouse bill was 90 quid. Pretended I was off to the loo, then scarpered like a kid. The manager came running out, shouting, "Oi, you lot, come back!" We were halfway down the high street with a belly full of jack. Hey! Dine and dash, dash, dash. Leave the waiter in a flash. 1 in 12 have done it once, according to the stats. London's full of dodgy geezers, East Midlands is where it's at. Dine and dash, what a laugh. But the poor chef's crying in the bath. Rising cost and energy bills, they're already on their knees. Don't make it worse, you selfish git, just pay up pretty please. They say it feels like betrayal when you smile and then you bail. They work their ass off for that tip, now they're left to pick up the trail. But you're thinking, it's just one meal. The place can take the hit, mate, their margins are so thin. You're the reason they'll close a bit. Hey! Valentine's Day disaster, 4 of us on martinis. Porn star after porn star, feeling rather steamy. Bill hit 230 quid. We slipped out one by one. Now the owner's on Facebook, showing everyone our bum. Hey! Dine and dash, dash, dash. Don't be such a total loss. Next time you fancy eating out, just bring your card along. Pay the bill and leave a tip and sing the silly song. Dine and dash, what a laugh. But it's really not that clever, gov. Support your local restaurant before they all go dark. Pay the bloody bill, you numpty, or we'll all be eating in the park. So raise your glass to the waiters who smile through all the pain. Next time you dine, be kind, my friends, and for God's sake,